You don't have to pick up the wounds of others, especially if it means our own healing is pushed to the wayside, especially if another energy of learned lesson, the Hierophant here. And this is the Eight of Pentacles. Look at the knowledge she is then sitting on, and it's giving her these wings here. This is a graduation of this energy. Boy, I'm happy to see that. A graduation of, now we're in the upright, setting down those 10 wands, letting whatever needs burned up in the past, let it go. Transmute the pain. Woohoo! Into our Nine of Pentacles, which is our lower octave Empress energy. This is the step before going into the ball, before she, gets seen at the ball by the prince here. You got to go into the ball to get seen. And look at that. Feeling good.